Hey guys, in this video we're going to unbox the Focusrite Clarett 2Pre USB. So this is a USB version of this audio interface. It's a 10x4 USB audio interface. So let's unbox it and see what is inside this box. Alright, so on the top of the box is a small user manual. So if we turn over, inside this package there is two USB cable. So we got USB-C to USB-C, and then you got another one USB-A to USB-C. So this one is typically for you to use on a computer. So you connect this to a PC computer, and this one here you would connect to, say, a mobile phone. If you wanted to, you can connect to a mobile phone or another computer with a USB-C port. So two different cables depending on what you need to use it for. Alright, so let's pull out this white box. So what is inside this white box? Let's have a look. I'm going to open it, and this is the power supply for the box right here, and we got a power supply. This plug here has been specifically designed for my region. This is why you see this plug, this type of plug right here, and this is the power supplied. And then if I lift this one up, this is the device right here. It's fairly heavy. Looks like it's built quite solidly. So I'm just going to move the box out of the way because there's nothing left in the box right now. And I'm just going to unwrap. There is a plastic wrap right around here. So I'm just going to unwrap it, and I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. There is also a silica gel package to suck out the moisture. With electronics device, moisture can cause damage to the electronics on the inside. Alright, so you can see this is the front of the device. So you got the input, the microphone input right here. There's a knob. There's a knob for you to adjust the level. You can also press on this button right here if you want to use the 48 volt. Alright, there's also a knob here. So monitor knob. And if you go to the side, this is what it looks on that side, and this is the back. There is a power button right here on the left hand side, and this one you plug it in, and this is the USB-C port right here. You also got a optical input and two MIDI. One is the MIDI out and one is MIDI in, and then you got 4 line outputs right here at the back. Now this device will give you 24-bit or 192 kilohertz AD and DA conversion with 2 high quality Clarett mic preamps right here. It is also equipped with air enable mic preamps, and it has a super low latencies recording with this device. This is the Clarett 2Pre USB version. Also, there are 2 additional line outputs and 2 monitor outputs with anti-thump technology. So you got line outputs here as well, and MIDI in, MIDI out. So there are Focusrite control software included with this device. It also includes the XLN audio, as I showed you before. There's XLN audio. Now there are a few software included with this device: XLN audio, adaptive keys, Focusrite Red plugin suite, soft shoot, time and tone bundles, Ableton Live Light, and Focusrite plugin collective software. So quite a few software that you can use with this device as a bundle package. And that's it. So that is everything's inside this box. So if you are getting one of these, you should get these 2 cables, and also you should get this charger, or not charger, sorry, this power adapter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now what I have noticed is that inside this package there are also some adapter that you can use it for a different country. So you can simply unplug this and you can place it with this plug right here. So this one here, you can use it in United States. So you can use this plug in the United States. And this one here, okay, you can also use it in a different region as well. So there are some adapters which you can remove and put on. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.